welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be here back at Kmart after being in lockdown for so long, and I can't wait to show you some of the new things that Kmart has brought in. So let's get shopping. Yay! So this is fantastic. This is new from Kmart. These are 3 preserving bottles. I really like them because you can actually just do fresh juices and put them in the fridge, or they've got this other alternative as well. So that's $3, so that's just another single litre, the black lid as opposed to the twist top. I think with the twist tops what's going to happen is in the dishwasher it may go rusty over time. I've had these before and they have, but it's dishwasher safe, airtight and watertight, and I think it's how much? Let's go have a look and see how much these are. $5. Okay, next up guys, this is a new container from Kmart that they've got. Better than the old plastic white one that they have. Check out the lid and see if it actually closes. Yep, seals so much better than the old ones, the white ones. So as you can see, it's a good seal all the way through. If you're getting the white clear lids, I'll show you what they look like. You just got to be careful that they actually do sit, because I bought a few and I found that they weren't vacuum sealed very well. These ones actually do seal quite well, so that's a tick. And then they have them all in these different size collections as well. So you've got that one, which is quite a nice size, a little cute container, and they seal really good, and the taller container too, so you can stack them up nice and neat in your pantry like so. Oh, so now looking at some of their plastic wares. Yep, Kmart's kind of up the ante here now. So I've got the 3-tier shelf. Sorry guys if you can't hear me, it's because of the face mask. But this is pretty good. Just got to be careful. Some of this stuff is cracked when you're buying it. Really good as opposed to the bamboo ones too. So this is quite a wider looking shelf. It's got great grip on it. I probably don't need one because I've got the bamboo, which you might have seen in some of my earlier spice jar videos. I'll put the link down the bottom for you guys to check out. But this is really cool. This is the under fridge storage shelf, which is really good to put like little cheeses, I think, and different things in there. So this is really good. Again, I don't know what the pricing is. They don't seem to have any prices listed, so we'll have to check out how much that is. I'll put a link as to how much it is. Clear short containers with a lid. It's really good. So it just hinges like so. Again, Kmart, what's going on? No pricing. This is Kmart Miranda, so I'm not sure what's going on with them there. Check out some of the price. $7 for that clear short container. And fridge. $6. It's pretty good. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, so there's a bit of a dilemma. I want to clean my bathroom and I don't know which one I had. I had a Karcher which died and I had it forever, and I want something quite cheap and easy to use. I don't want to plug it in, and then they've got 2 options here. They've got the handheld steam cleaner and they've got the rechargeable cleaning brush. So they're both great for bathrooms. This one will do a little bit more because it's got the steam with the oven, grout and glass. This one is just a polishing brush. So I'm just trying to think, which one do I go for? No pricing again, so I have no idea how much this is. They must be in between Christmas and using things. Just give me a second. It's $25 for the handheld steel. That's pretty good considering I spent, I think, about $100 or so on the Karcher. And that was fantastic, but yeah, it died. Another one of my faves. This isn't new, but they've been hard to get, and I've just realized they're fully stocked at the moment. These are the 2-packed shelf dividers. They are fantastic in the linen cupboard. So I've got a old linen cupboard and I use them to divide and put the towels nice and stack them neat. So This is pretty good at $8. Highly recommend you guys get this. I'll put a direct link to the website so you can shop and find them quicker. And you'll also find it on my website as well. Pretty dusty these days in the wardrobe, so I might get some garment bag in the wardrobe. And this is something quite new. This is a slide out drawer. I think I have somewhere to use this, so I might get one of these. These are $12 each. No, it doesn't say. Medium slide out drawer. Come on, Kmart, what's going on? Okay, something else I do need is a sorting hamper for my laundry. I've gone through 3. I spent quite a bit on the other ones. I think $25 is pretty good. Let's see how strong and sturdy these are. So here it is in my laundry. The great thing is it is huge. I don't think this does sort of justice to it, but it is enormous. So you'll be able to fit quite a good load in there. Some of these you buy and they're very small. So yes, it's an absolute win. You need a fan. This house that I'm in has no air conditioning. $15. Ooh, I'll just grab one of those, thank you. Really good quality. It took me like 10 minutes to assemble, literally. It would probably take you a lot faster if you had all the right screws and everything in place. Great. Thanks for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's KMART 2022 home finds. Stay tuned. I'm going to add some extra links so you can see some of the stuff being put together in a full clip. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, as it's really going to help me out a lot. Until next time, have a good one. Bye.